Hello friends, if you are searching how to delete 500px account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can delete your 500px account. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Go to 500px official website and log in into your account. Click profile on the top right, then click settings from the drop down menu. Click deactivate account. And you are done. Most asked question: what happens when I deactivate my account? So the answer is, deactivation is the same as deletion. Your profile and photos will no longer be visible and others will not be able to connect with you via 500px. Only by using this method, you can easily delete your 500px account. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.